Welcome to my channel. Eero Router Login. Eero app allows you to change Wi-Fi password, network name, SSID, guest access, parental control, and default Eero home Wi-Fi system settings. How to log into Eero router. 1. Install the Eero app from Google Play, Apple App Store, or Amazon App Store. 2. Create an Eero account or log in with your Amazon account. 3. You will be logged in to the Eero router. How to change Eero Wi-Fi password and network name. 1. Open the Eero mobile app. 2. Tap Settings or Network Settings from the menu. 3. Select Wi-Fi name and enter the Wi-Fi network name and click Save. 4. Select Wi-Fi password and enter the Wi-Fi password and click Save. Thank you for watching.